Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be styling my hair a little bit different. I picked up a new brush and this is the 2-in-1 treatment brush from Wet Brush. So this is really interesting. Wet brushes are super popular and I see people style their hair with the wet brush, but I've never seen a 2-in-1 treatment brush like this. And what that basically means is that you can put your styling product or your detangling product or like your leave-in conditioner inside the brush, and then as you brush your hair, it's supposed to distribute the product throughout your hair, which is pretty cool. It should make your wash and go or your curly hair routine a little bit quicker. So I'm just gonna open it up and see how it all works. I got this at Marshall's for $5.99. I've never seen it at Target or Walmart or any other place that I usually see wet brushes. I've never seen this one, so let me know if you guys even have seen this one before, because I definitely have not. So this is what it looks like outside of the package. The bristles. And then this is the back section where you put the product and water. Okay, so it says to pull down the latch in here. So confused. Oh, there, okay. Ooh, I got it. Okay, so this comes completely off apparently. Okay, so it says fill with detangling spray, treatment or oil, 1 part water, 2 parts product. Put the cap back on and brush. So I'm going to be using my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner just because I want to use it up. I'm almost done anyway, so that's what I'm going to be putting inside of the brush. Hopefully I have enough because I really don't have a lot here, but I'm still trying to figure out how to open this. Okay, so the top just comes off like that. So I'm just going to dump my leave-in conditioner in here. And then I'm just gonna pour this water inside. Okay, so all the product is in here and I'm gonna attach it back onto the brush. And then this little section just goes in here. There we go. That's really cool. I've never seen something like this. Okay, so as you're brushing, you're supposed to push down this little button, which will let the product come out of here. I was thinking, and I thought this would be really cool if like the product was dispersed through the bristles, but I guess that's not how it works. I've never used a wet brush in general, so this is kind of like a first impressions of the actual brush and this 2-in-1 treatment thing. So right now I'm just detangling my hair. I'm not adding the product. And my hair is drying out a little bit, so I'm going to re-wet it up here. Now I'm going to start styling my hair with the wet brush and the leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to go section by section and see how this works. I'm really excited. So far, the only thing that I don't like about it is it feels so heavy. I'm sure the regular wet brush doesn't feel this heavy, but I don't like that. It just feels so bulky and really heavy to use. I guess it's cool. You would have to hold the brush kind of like this to be able to squirt it out and brush simultaneously. So far, I really like how this wet brush clumps my hair. I've barely done half of my head and my curls are clumping together so nice. Like so much better than the 9-hour brush that I use. I don't know why I've never tried this before. This is what happens when you stay in your comfort zone, you don't try anything new, you're missing out on great things like this. And it's really easy to grab bigger sections of hair because the surface area of the brush is much larger than the brush that I usually use. This also would be perfect for traveling. You fill up your brush before you go so you don't have to carry any extra product. I just finished styling my hair with the wet brush and I actually really love this. I'm so mad that I haven't tried this sooner. Just the wet brush in general, I love how it clumped my curls. I feel like I didn't have to go in and kind of finger coil some of the curls that I normally do because I feel like this clumped so well. So I'm really excited to see what my hair is going to look like while it's dry. And then as far as the 2-in-1 treatment thing, I think it's really cool. I pretty much use up all the product I have in here. So for me, this is a one-time use kind of thing. So every time I want to use this brush, I have to refill it. Maybe if you have less hair, you don't have to fill it up as much. Well, I don't know if it really saved me like that much time, but I just think it's a really cool brush. It's super unique. And then the way that it squirts out pretty far. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but I like definitely have product on the wall from squirting like this. It just goes far. So definitely be careful with like your surroundings if you don't want to get product all over your stuff. But besides that, I'm going to go ahead and continue styling my hair. I'm going to be putting this Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor in. I figured I'd use this one just because I already used the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. So I bought this curl sculptor back in, I think February, definitely like in the beginning of the year, and I don't really remember how I liked it. I did use it a few times, but then I stopped for some reason. I don't know if I didn't like it or if I just found something else. But this says it's fast-drying, weightless curl creator, provides definition for curly textures, elongates curls, softens, and moisturizes with pro vitamin B5. So hopefully this goes well. Oh, it's super liquidy actually. I don't know if you can hear it shaking inside. It's very watery. I'm not even squeezing the bottle and it's just coming out. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of glaze this over my curls. I do not want to disrupt the clumps that I created with the wet brush. So I'm just going to only glaze this in. It smells really good. So yeah, I'm just going to glaze it through my hair and then scrunch. So I'm going to come back on here once my hair is almost completely dry and then I will diffuse it. So I just finished diffusing my hair. My hair is completely dry and it looks so good already. I don't know if you can actually see the difference in the way my hair is clumped right now compared to like other videos, but just look how nice the front of my hair has clumped as well as the rest of it. Some pieces aren't as like chunky and big as the front is, but this came out really nice. I'm really happy with the way that my hair looks using the wet brush to style it. It's probably going to be my new favorite brush to use. So the curl sculptor gel did give me a light hold, so I have a little bit of a cast I want to scrunch out. I'm going to put this argan oil from Shea Moisture on my fingertips to do that, just a little bit. Alright, I don't want to separate too many of these curls because I really like how big they look. But I'm going to go in a little bit and just separate some so I can gain a little bit extra volume. I think I'll just keep the ones like around my face pretty big because I like the way that this looks. Look how pretty that looks. I like do not want to touch this one, it's so cute. But I am going to separate it because it's just too big. Now I'm just going to go in with my double row pick from Cantu and just fluff out my curls. Such a good wash day, and I'm sure you guys can tell the difference. I hope you can if you have watched some of my other videos. My curls look so good right now, and I owe it all to this wet brush. A little close-up of the curls, they look really good. I'm so happy with this wash day. If you guys have not tried styling your hair with a wet brush, go pick one up. You will not regret it. This 2-in-1 thing is pretty cool, but it was just the wet brush in general that made my curls look this good today. So go pick one up. You need it in your life for sure. But that is going to be the end of this video. I might come on a little bit later just to kind of give you guys a final result, because it's still pretty early in the day, so I want to see what my hair does for the rest of the day. So it is the end of the day. It's like 6 hours later, and I just want to get back on here to show you kind of an end of the day hair result, because my curls look so good. I know I keep saying that, I keep repeating myself, but I feel like this is the best wash day I've had since I colored my hair. I don't know if my hair is just kind of getting back to its normalness, or, well, definitely this brush. This brush did its thing. I love this brush so much, and I just went to Marshall's earlier, and they had a whole bunch of these, like the regular wet brushes, for only $4. So if you're interested in purchasing one, definitely go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and all those kind of stores, because you can find them for really cheap. But this is such a good wash day. I'm really impressed. And also, this was a really good product combination for me because they were both super lightweight. Here's a little curl close-up. I always have problems with the back of my hair. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, I guess nobody can really see it anyway. But look how pretty these curls look. That is going to be the end of this video. I don't want to keep repeating myself and rambling. I'm just really happy with these results. But thank you guys so much for watching this video once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!